just finished up with the underground tour, which was pretty awesome, very interesting. We saw, I say I'm a lot, I need to stop. Hi. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? Came at the very end of the rush, so that's good.
Thank you.
Awesome. And did you want any beer or wine today?
I'm good.
What kind of beers? Do you have any stuff on tap?
We have, sorry, we have the Peroni and La Rosa in a bottle.
Okay. I'll just stick with water for now.
Okay, and I have to tell you guys that Pioneer Square at night has a lot of rats. They're not in this restaurant, but there's literally one right there. I don't know if you're
Oh, I see it.
Holy shit.
And it's like, you want to go and...
Yep.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell you before it just surprise you.
Like I was saying, now that we're inside, we went to the underground tour. It was very interesting. I really enjoyed it. A lot of history, and I like history. So now we are at a place called Cafe Bengodi. It's an Italian restaurant, and we're starving. And so I want to eat. This is why we came back inside. It's not that big. I like it. I would eat with it. It's time to get on the Great Wheel of Seattle. Anyways, we're gonna go on this wheel thing. It's very
Big.
Oh, I think I got a little nauseous just now.
We're on the wheel.
We're on the wheel. Does that sound better?
Still my boobs.
My bad. I really am afraid of heights.
Don't look here.
Oh, that's CenturyLink Field right there. That's where the Seattle Seahawks play. I don't even know if you can see it in the camera. It's like right, oh yeah, you can, right there.
The green, now blue thing?
Yeah. Alright, the wheel was awesome. We got a picture. I was a little uneasy there for a minute, but it wasn't too bad. Not at all.
It was fun.
It was fun. I agree. But we are gonna go back to the hotel, have a drink, and probably get some sleep. We really haven't slept for like 2 days. I mean, we slept in the... I've woken up and we're gonna go out and do some stuff. It's a little cloudy today, but that's not gonna stop us. Let's go. We made it to the Space Needle, Seattle's iconic landmark. Sorry for the nose shot. Ashley, you ready to go up there? We made it to the top. Now this is a little bit scarier than the wheel though. Like I said, I am afraid of heights. I do not like this. We're on top of the Space Needle.
So it's kind of hard to see, but this is Anthony definitely living out one of his wannabe dreams. He's rocking out on a guitar. Despite the fact that he can't play at all, and I can hear a little bit of it. It sounds awful, but that's okay.
Oh my gosh, if you guys come to Seattle, you have to go to the EMP. We played all these instruments, and I realized I really suck. But that's alright, because it was fun. We're gonna see about taking the monorail. We're trying to get down to Pike's Place. We're gonna go eat some lunch. We got a little cruise we're gonna go on. And tonight, depending on how we feel, which I hope we do feel good, we're gonna go to a baseball game. The season's almost over. I gotta get to a baseball game. We made it onto the monorail. We're gonna go, well, we're trying to go to Pike's Place. I don't know how far away it is, so I guess it's about 3 blocks from where we're going. I've never been on a monorail. I've even been to Disney World, and I have not been on a monorail. So I'm on one now. Apparently this is the nation's first commercial monorail system. Kinda neat. We made it. We made it to Pike's Place. We're on a boat now. I know I just jump around all over the place, but who cares? You care? Okay, I'll work on it. I'm sorry. No, we're gonna go take a cruise of somewhere. Elliott Bay. Should be a good time. Let's go cruise. Cruising. How does that song go?
Massive. Alright, so as we're curving around, I want everyone to look off the starboard side and be on the lookout for an 8-story building, red brick, with a very familiar, sneaky face on top. She's green. She is seductive. She's insisting that venti is a real word. You need a cup of coffee right now. It's the world headquarters of Starbucks. How cool is that? They actually built their building in an old Sears Roebuck factory. It's really, really gorgeous facility. I had the opportunity to tour it. They maintain a lot of the original elements. Very, very open air. Some of the original wood actually used to create the staircase.
Yeah, boat ride was awesome. We're gonna go to the aquarium now. The aquarium, where there's fish and things. It's like dome, underwater, and there's fish. Again, I told you we'd be jumping around a lot. We are we are at a Seattle Mariners game. And just wait till you see our seats. This ball right here. He just came towards us. I did not get it. Obviously, it's right there. We're just enjoying a nice beverage before we go.
Experience and enjoy Mariners baseball at Citgo Field.
So there's the speed. Let's keep in mind that the kid before him threw 51 and 55.
39.
Well, that sucks.
Curveball.
Senchuchu.
Just relax for a little bit. It's time for a late night snack. Hey, look at me. What'd you say?
That.
Ladies and gentlemen in YouTube world, if you come to Seattle and you're out late You have to come to 13 Coins. Because I've just realized why it was named one of the top 5 late night food destinations in the nation. It's so delicious. Oh, I'm gonna just dip it in the strawberry jam. And this.
You can't watch this part.
Let's see.
I'm falling over my seat. Okay, I'm done now.
I didn't know you were watching still. Delicious, seriously.